Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Jess Angelica from Camiling, Tarlac, Philippines. I'm 25 years old. I'm married and have a daughter ages 2 years old. I graduated at Berbera High School since 2015. My height is 157 cm and my weight is 65 kilograms. I have experience here in the Philippines as nanny and housemaid for 4 years to Mr. and Mrs. Grace Flores. They have 4 members of the family, 3 adults and 1 newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities are doing all household chores, general cleaning, marketing, ironing, and especially taking care of babies. I take care of babies by giving them and assisting them to take a bath, change diaper, change clothes, give them milk on time, and especially I can take care by giving them attention. I want to work in Hong Kong, Mom and Sir, to give my family better future and give my daughter better future. Promise, Mom, Sir, I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods. I promise you, Mom and Sir, I'm hardworking, honest, trustworthy, God-fearing person and kind. I promise you, Mom and Sir, I will finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, Mom and Sir. See you soon. God bless.